Now I am going to explain you about central purchase. Central purchase is a order request which is raised from HO to the warehouse. Based on central purchase, the warehouse will purchase the items. In the head office, go to BPM, purchase management, central purchase, From here you can raise the central purchase. In this video, I will guide you how to raise central purchase from head office to the warehouse. Go to BPM, purchase management, central purchase. Here you have to select the warehouse name and item tap all, and now in name press space bar and select the supplier name. Now you have to give the expiry date. Before expiry it will load the item. Now you have to give the expiry date for the central purchase. In name press space bar to select the item. I am selecting Boost 250 grams. Now give the quantity and click on save and send button. Once you click on this, before save and send you have to type the terms and condition and click on save and send. Once it is saved, it will give you the purchase order ID. Now you can print this central purchase PO. Click on OK for this. Also you can send mail for this. In this video, I will guide you how to raise the central purchase from HO. Go to BPM, click on purchase management, central purchase. Here you have to select the warehouse name. I am selecting the warehouse, and here you have to select the supplier name. I am selecting Vijay. Now it will load the item. Okay. Now give the expiry date for this PO. In name click space bar and select the item. Give the quantity and here write the terms and condition of this central purchase and click on save and send. Once you click on save and send, it will give you the purchase order ID. Now you can print this central PO. Also you can send mail. Now I am going to the outlet. Click on purchase. Click on purchase invoice. Now select the same supplier name, Vijay. Now you can see the central purchase which is raised from HO. Once you click on it, it will load the item and click on save. Before saving, you have to give the invoice number. Now click on save. Once it is saved, it will auto generate the purchase invoice against the purchase order. In this video, I will guide you how to raise central purchase from HO to the warehouse. Go to BPM, click on purchase, central purchase and central purchase. Once you click on it, it will open the window. Here you have to select the warehouse outlet name and the supplier name. Click space bar and select the supplier name. Now it will load all the item which is mapped under this supplier name. Click on expiry date and give the expiry date for this PO. In name press space bar and select the item. Give the quantity and now in below you have to give the terms and condition and click on save and send. Once you click on save and send, it will give you the purchase order ID. This PO you can print, also you can send mail. Now this PO will automatically reach to the respective warehouse. Now I am opening the warehouse system. Click on purchase, go to purchase invoice. Here you have to select the supplier Vijay. Once you click on it, it will show you the PO which is raised from the central purchase. Click on it. Once you click on it, item will load automatically. You have to give the invoice number, batch number, and give the expiry date. After giving this, click on save button. Now the purchase invoice has been made against the central purchase. Thank you.